In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from Binance to Weex. Now, the easiest way to do this is to actually have Binance Wallet, which is an extension for your browser, but of course you could do this either with your Binance account on the web version of your app, or of course on the app on your mobile device. So it's very similar. I'm going to show you with Binance Wallet. It's very easy to set up. You can look up for videos on how to do that. It's very simple, and you'll be able to do it that way easily. Then you want to go to Weex. You want to sign into your account, click on deposit up top, and then you want to click on on-chain deposit. And in here, you want to select USDT to actually be received. So here where it says select crypto, click on USDT, and then you have to select your network. So that's completely up to you. I'm just going to do, let's do TRC20, okay? So of course you can do whichever one you want. And now here I'm going to do get deposit address. There we go, and I'm going to copy this address. I'm going to open up Binance Wallet over here, and as you can see here, I have my USDT. I'm going to click on it, but make sure it is on the correct network, okay? Because if it's not, then of course you won't be able to do this. So make sure you are switched on the correct network. So whichever network you used, you just basically have to switch onto that one, because if you didn't, you actually won't be able to do it, okay? So over here, I selected TRC20. If I were to select, for example, let's say Solana here, that would be wrong. Okay, so make sure you actually have the correct network selected, and then just click on the send button, go ahead and click on enter wallet address, paste in your address over here, press next, select how much you want. So here I'm just going to do like $5. As you can see, it exceeded the maximum amount here because I don't have enough, but if I would have enough, then I'd be able to go ahead and continue and confirm the transaction, and then I would receive USDT on here to Weex from my Binance account. Now, of course, again, the most important part here is to actually select the correct network. So in my case here, where I had Solana, that's incorrect. You must have your correct network to be able to send it efficiently and successfully. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.